Hi there. So I'm going to give you a demo of a little AI tool I had built a few moons ago that could help uh, someone to figure out why a certain ticket got delayed or why it was not completed on time. So let me before I give you a demo, let me give you a brief story that why actually I had built that. So one of the issues we were having that our clients uh, gave negative feedbacks to few of our task tickets, uh, and we were not able to figure out what was the reason of the delay. Of course, they mentioned the reason delay, but we were not sure whether the delay was due to delay at their end or there was an issue at our end. So uh, you can uh, understand that there is a ticket. There are so many comments, back and forth comments under it. So it is not easy to figure it out. And in the management meeting, I heard the grievances of the managers of of the relevant departments, that we are being mistreated or things are getting late. It's not like that our people doing were always doing things on time, but there were few instances that that were we were not judged properly. So anyway, while I was listing all the grievances, so I thought, why not I come up with a tool in which I pass the ticket data and a prompt and see how it works. So I asked GPT or Claude, I don't remember exactly right now. So I came up with a prompt and I passed the ticket data. We are using Freshdesk, so we had an API access, so we were already using that API for many internal operations, so that was not the big deal. So what I did, I came up with a simple interface which you are seeing right here right now, in which I pass that prompt and the JSON data, and uh, and and surprisingly and luckily it worked for us. And it not only help us to figure out the reason of the delay or whether it was delayed for due to our teams or for there was an issue at client's end, but it also helped us to figure out the performance of different employees in that different departments. That was not the intention, by the way. Anyway, too much talk. Let me give you a demo. So here I'm mentioning the ticket number, and when I click on it, so as you can see here, this is a snapshot of report. So there's a certain ticket number, department, so client, status is open. So this is the reason of the delay. This is the most important section. The delay occurred during extended review of proofing process. All the design work was completed and marked ready for proofing. It took a significant amount of time for proofreader to claim the ticket and confirm the task. Where it got stuck, so it was got stuck in the proofing department. The lady Sunita, the proofreader, was responsible for picking up the task later than expected. So this is the entire timeline, because it this task, this ticket was completed by two people, couple of people. So Mike, actually, who was the guy actually worked on it, he started the task on the 5th of February. Mike, he ticket assigned on to Mike on 5th of February. He started working on the same day. Were completed by Mike, ready for proofing, integrating the design completion, right? So the last task completed by ticket for proofing, a delay of approximately 1.5 days after marking ticket ready for proofing. Lastly, this tool conclude that primary delay was between the design completion and initiation of the proofing. Further process enhancement could reduce such proofing delay in the future. So imagine that you are the manager, inline manager, or even someone in the higher ups. You got a complaint from from the client that things are not being completed on time, and you provide this report to them, so they will get a clear picture what actually was going on. So this timelines tell how the things went from one person to another person, who was actually responsible for it, and at the end the conclusion by the AI tool, what could be done to enhance enhancement, so that things don't get delayed in the future. So This tool worked quite well for us. It helped more than what we were expecting. So this was my very first attempt to use the AI in the tickets in ticketing system to find out how we can improve the things. So this is one of the many use cases that we can do. There are many other things that could be done where why Gen AI or AI. Later, I had actually did a bit research. For instance, ticket clustering, auto responding to a certain ticket. For instance, there's a level one ticket, and you already had a repository intact. So, if, for instance, there's a use case like complaint that the certain customer was not able to log in. So if you already have your repository intact with the tool could respond instead of handing it over to the human to answer that simple query. So there are so many things could be done. Sky is the limit. Coming to this tool again. So this tool, uh, if you have any requirement where ticket is being delayed and you are not able to figure it out, so this kind of tool could be very helpful. And by the way, this is not limited to any ticketing system or CRM system. We are using Freshdesk, but it could be integrated with the Zendesk, ServiceNow, HubSpot, what even your third custom in-house system. The main point is the data that is being fed to the prompt, how it actually producing the output. So and other thing, this is not in a fixed format. You can have your customized format as well. The point is whatever the information you want to be displayed, it should be in the core data. That is the main part. So anyway, I will wrap it up here. So if you have any question or you want to ask me something, you can leave a comment, or if you want something similar, I will be giving a link of my Calendly link. You can schedule a call with me. We can just say hi and we can discuss if something's I could be if something that I can do. I will definitely try to help you out. Thank you. Bye.